はい、皆さん、こんばんは、Vince です。Hello everyone, this is Vince. 皆さん、お久しぶりですね。It's been a while, everyone. 今回ご紹介するのは、こちらに表示した漢字です。For this day, what I would like to introduce to you is this kanji character indicated right here. This one. So we are now on set number 6. 皆さん、最後まで応援してよろしくお願いします。もしよろしければ最後まで応援してくれたらありがたい。I would be very happy if you could support me until the end of this video, so stay with me until the end. それでは皆さん、早速始めていきましょう。Very well then, let's begin. So we are now on our still elementary grade 1 level, but set number 6. And for today, I will discuss this kanji character right here. This one, very important in Japanese economy. Okay, so let's start. And please don't forget to subscribe, 皆さん。もしよろしければ登録ボタンをしてくれたらありがたい。If you could please press that subscribe button and that like button as well, I will be very happy. Very well then, let's begin, 皆さん。So the kanji is here. Looks like an arc, but it's not. Okay, so it is, I think this is 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is important in naming prices in Japan and even in currency of Japan, because this is yen. But in Japan, you don't call it as yen. You pronounce it as n. Again, n. Silent y. So it's not yen, but if you talk about in Western languages, though, you can say yen. Say you're a native, your mother tongue is Filipino language or Western language like American language, you can say yen. But strictly speaking, in Japanese language, you don't say yen. It's silent y, so it's n. And this kanji is not just for naming currency in Japan, but also for describing a shape. It's circle, and circle, round. Okay, so as I've said, this is n. So as you can see also, minasan, in our onyomi readings, it's n. And in kunyomi, we have here marui. It's an I adjective, marui. And the you can see the okurigana, it's I, marui. So okay, so suddenly I have thought of that okurigana. Okay, so the okurigana here is I, because the point of separation is here between maru and I, but this kunyomi is marui. Okay, minasan. And for Chinese reading, it's yuan. But I know what you're thinking. This is not the China yuan. But there's a separate kanji in grade 2 level. There's a separate kanji for Chinese yuan or Chinese currency. But nonetheless, the pinyin for this character is yuan, but not that currency in Taiwan and in mainland China, even in Hong Kong. Okay, so we have here our subject kanji, minasan. So the only radical here is here indicated in red, and gamae. The gamae here means encompassing and enclosing the whole character, and gamae, and gamae. Okay, so the ancient form is like here. This looks like a cauldron or cooking tool, cooking apparatus, a cauldron. So here n, it is a shorthand form for this, which is a picture of a cauldron, and in ancient China, written in this form in ancient China. This is a cauldron, and in modern form, further reduced to this, which is the progenitor basis for the character n. Okay, so let's not tarry on that. Okay, character meanings. The original ancient China meaning is round, but for primary meaning it's circle, and secondary meaning as a form of Japan currency, yen. But take note, if an American or a Westerner will say yen, that's fine, but if you will go strictly with the correct pronunciation in Japan, it's n. Okay, like 10,000 yen is ichiman yen. Okay, so the yen, just like other currencies, you suffix it. So as you can see here, dot 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 n, dot 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 n as in currency, and its another meaning is circle. So let's say 1 yen, 1 yen. Let's say entaku, round table, because here taku is table. Okay, minasan. So enjuku means ripeness, and we have here enshuritsu, Archimedes constant, enshuritsu. But here we have here marui, means round, marusa. So how to change the adjective into its noun form? Simply drop the rightmost I and replace it with sa. So marui, round. So the noun form is marusa, meaning roundness. It becomes a noun. Okay, so enjuku, we have here enjuku, means ripeness. Enjuku, ripeness.
円熟する
And you can see it's also a suru verb, enjuksuru. Make it ripe, make it mature. Enjuku.
円熟する
How about here? Entaku. Entaku. Okay. Marui.
丸い
Marui.
丸い
So it's a very fast U on the root. A very fast U on the root. So it's like marui.
丸い
Very fast that it would almost sound like as if mari.
丸い
But it's marui.
丸い
It's an adjective meaning round, as in disc shape. Okay, disc, disc shape. Because here, minasan, you can see for disc shape like a coin, it's you use the kanji here for disc shape, but for spherical here it's marui. So you can see the distinction here. You use this marui with this kanji for spherical things, but for disc shape like coins, you use this. So take note of that difference, minasan. They are both homophones, or similarly sounding but different in kanji. Okay, or shoryurigo. Okay, doririgo. Okay, so again, marui.
丸い
And you can see the distinction, minasan. Take note of those distinctions. Spherical is for this kanji. Disc shape is for this kanji. Okay. Okay, so how about okay, undisturbed or smooth? Encuts.
円滑な
Encutsna. It's an adjective. Encutsna.
円滑な
Okay. How about a 10,000? 10,000. Okay, a 1,000 yen bill. Senen sats.
千円札
Sen.
千円札
Senen sats. Okay. Sen satsu. Okay, minasan, for other, we can have other vocabularies here. How about this? Daen.
楕円楕円
Daen is
Daen
elliptical or oval.
楕円楕円楕円
Elliptical or oval. Okay. Daen. Daen.
楕円
Because we all know that ellipse is different from a circle. So that's daen.
楕円
Okay, minasan. And cuts na smooth and
円
disturbed.
滑な
And cuts na is smooth or undisturbed. Okay. How about this? Man marui. Perfectly round. But we all know that this kanji is for sphere. So we just replace that with our subject kanji. N. Okay. Man marui is perfectly round. Man marui. Okay. NK is round shape in disc form. NK. Okay. So how about 100 yen? Hyakuen.
100円
Hyakuen. Okay, let's have some example sentences here. The Japanese yen was appreciated. Nihon no en wa agatta.
Nihon no en wa agatta
Okay, so,
Nihon no en wa agatta
and we have here, make a circle with, make a circle and hold hands. Make a circle and hold hands. En ni natte, te wo tsunaide kudasai. Te wo tsunaide kudasai.
円になって手をつないでください
Okay, the yen is rising and the dollar is falling. Well, not quite true based on past weeks, but this is just for example purposes. Okay, minasan.
円高ドル安だ
Doru yasuda. En taka. Yen. Doru yasuda.
円高ドル安だ
I exchange yen for dollars. I exchange yen for dollars. En wo doru ni kaita.
円をドルに変えた
Okay, so for other sentences, minsan, if you could just screenshot those. Okay. And then here we have here the proper nouns or names. Enmyo, enmei, enmyo, enmei. And you can see directly below the kanji, written in gray fonts, the kana writing, which will readily tells you the reading for the names, just like here. Enmyo and Mei. Here we have Sowen. Oh, Sowen. Oh, is that the lingerie? Okay. And we have here Enzan. And for others, minasan, if you could just screenshot those others. Okay. Showen and Ko. Okay. And for greater appreciation, minasan, I would like to show you here some appreciation materials here, minasan. Oh, sorry about that, minasan. Okay, so just to apply our kanji for today, as you can see, minasan, it is suffixed, so it's written on the right side of a number, right side of the value. But in Japan, minasan, I'll give you a tip. If you're looking for prices, in Japan, especially in convenience stores and in department stores, you will see two prices for a single product. The one in larger fonts is the price without tax, but the one in smaller fonts, that is the true price, because that is the one embedded with taxes, already with taxes, zeikomi. But the one with larger fonts, don't get deceived with those. It is yet to be added with a tax, so you take the value with a smaller font, because that is the correct value or the true value that the gokeisha or cashier will take. So that's the correct value. Here we have here meals in Marugame, kamaage udon, and you can see the prices in three prices, because it's small. We have the small serving, and we have the large 490, and we have the a bit bigger than the normal size. So you can see, if the serving size is larger, you can expect a larger price. This is kamaage udon, this is kake udon, this is kamao udon. Kama is pot or kettle or cauldron. This is mentai kamao udon. Okay, kare udon, doro udon. Okay, bokkake udon, and you can see the prices here, minasan. You can see the prices here. So here, bokkake udon, it's 490 yen for a large or omori servings. And we have here dollar exchange. We have here. So this was just shot, I think 3 hours ago. So this is for February 26 exchange rates. February 26, 2026. So these are the exchange rates. $1 is equivalent to 155.9957 Japanese yen. And for our friends in the Philippines, we have here 1 Japanese yen. 1 Japanese yen is just a 0.3693 of a Philippine peso. Okay, just like in business reports, business news in Japan. For example, we have a business news reporter. Let's say, 一方、外貨の為替を見ていきましょう。一方、外貨の為替を見ていきましょう。一方、外貨の為替を見ていきましょう。一方、外貨の為替を見ていきましょう。In English, meanwhile, let's take a look at our foreign currency exchange rates. Okay, so that's it, minasan. Thank you for staying with me until the end. 最後までご視聴くださりありがとうございました。Thank you for staying with me until the end, and いつも応援してくれてありがとう。Thank you for supporting this channel, and please press that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you, 皆さん。I'll see you in the next topic. それでは皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。So we have reached our last part. それでは皆さん、レッスンはもう終了なんです。それでは皆さん、また次の動画でお会いしましょう。Thank you for watching, 皆さん。ありがとう。バイバーイ。